What is going on, fellow peoples? Or people, I don't care, whatever you are, aliens of the internet. Sorry about that, that was a rude joke. But today, we're going to be playing a game called Would You Rather. And you probably know what it is, and if you don't, you're probably living under a rock. But anyways, so, basically, would you rather do this or this? And then it tells you, like, how many percentage would do that. So, first answer is lose your front teeth in a skateboarding accident or break your hands on a bike. I'd probably go with that. Wow. Okay. Been painted by probably this. Yeah. So, okay, on to our next one, which is Germany. Spend a day with Taylor Swift. I'm a Taylor Swift fan. I love both of them, but Taylor Swift. Constantly stumble when walking. Constantly stutter when speaking. I mean, I already did that. I'd rather talk a little bit too loudly. Watch women's sport. Honestly, I'd rather honestly. Play for the Red Sox. I'm a Red Sox fan personally. Man, if you're watching this, I'm rooting for you. My name is Red Sox fan too. See blurry all the time. See everything. I mean, blurry. I don't know what. And sorry about the background noise. It's some. So sorry about that. Trying to talk a little loudy. Only Justin Bieber because I'm a Justin Bieber fan. Please don't on me. Win a gold medal at the Olympics. Be able to name a new periodic prowess. I mean, this is science, and I like science better. Drink beer with a raw edge in it, or drink beer. Okay. Yeah. I'm weird, okay. Eat Lay's potato chips, or I'll probably eat Pringles. Would you rather be Cinderella? I don't really watch Cinderella, so I'm sure I don't really watch Princess. I'm not into that type of stuff. So, be a professional. I can't say that. Be a professional beanbag gun. Okay, I'm being a beanbag gun testing. Yes, that is like. Yeah. Visit I have to say Hogwarts. Gotta say it. I mean, Hogwarts is like awesome. Be visited by ancient aliens. Be visited by mole people. Probably this. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Definitely took the right choice. Die slowly, but not much pain. Yeah, probably because like it's not gonna be as much pain if you die fast. I mean, like, beat a tiger in a fight who ate a man. Beat a man in a fight who ate a. I don't really know about that one. It's 50-50, so. Yeah. Be on the front page of Reddit whenever you want. Be on the front page. Yes. This. Just personally, I don't really use Reddit. Bring back Chris or bring back. Have a large painting of yourself. Have a large, probably a sculpture. I mean, it's like 3D and stuff. So, yeah. So that's why I would probably have. Go down in the history books. Be famous in this life. I'd probably go down in the history books because like you're only gonna be for like 100 or 80 years if you do it lifetime. In history books, I mean like you're gonna go like thousands of years, maybe hundreds of thousands of years. I don't know why I said years. Never be able to leave your native country. Never be able to drive. Probably this one. I mean, when I do learn to drive, probably would use it a lot. Play Gears of War or Halo. Probably this, but my mom doesn't let me play Halo. But still probably do that. Fight a shark with bare arms. Fight a bear with sharp. I mean, at least you have a weapon here. So Twitter. I don't have Facebook, so probably Twitter. Be an amazing security guard. Be a terrible FBI agent. Probably a security guard. I mean, yeah. Be. Or I don't really have an opinion on that. Cause I mean, like, I don't really know. Get an atomic wedgie. Guess where? I don't know. I just should pick a random one. Just, I don't know. Be a pirate or be a ninja. Probably a ninja. I mean, they're like really cool, and pirates, they're cool, but I like ninjas much better than pirates. Bring back someone you love who died. Okay. Bring back someone famous who died. Probably a loved one, because loved ones are important. So yeah, let's do it for. Actually, just this one. He was reached only have to sleep with. No, absolutely not. Jeez. Gosh. Okay. So yeah, let's do it. See you all.